Guys, what's up? This is your brother Ismail reporting from Uganda. So as you see the title on top, please, if it is the first time you're coming across to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment as well. But if you are my returning subscriber, I thank you a lot. You're great, you are the best. And Ismail is always proud of his people, his YouTube family. So today I'm going to speak to you about some tips that you can trick girls to fall for you. I want to share with you that one, so stay tuned. So what I want to tell you is that actually the issue of girls are very complicated. We as men, we always have issues with them, and we always deal, when you want to deal with relationships, you're dealing with inbuilt intellectual, you can understand that. So we need to deal with that intellectuality, which is a very hard task to carry out. So I want to share with you some tricks that you can use to get any girl that you want. The first thing is that girls don't like men who actually who always happy. A guy who is just happy. I'm not meaning the other happiness, I'm meaning the happiness of like kid. They don't want you to smile, happy, a fake happy, happy, just no, that one is not good. And I'm not trying to mean that you should not be happy, but don't be so excited when you are with them. Don't let them that you're so excited because of them. No, don't do that. So you have to have some control of yourself by not overdoing all that one. The second step that I want to share with you is that ladies don't like men who smile all the time, who are always smiling. Smiling is good. It is actually one of the most effective mechanism to actually live on this planet, but not overdoing it. Smiling, when you see a lady you smile, they will think that there's something wrong with you. You smile, but in some extent, not to large extent. I don't know whether you're getting the point. So smiling is okay, but ladies don't like men who smile so much. Actually, they prefer men who don't smile that much. So you have to smile. Smiling is good, but not overdoing it. Don't overdo it. I don't know whether you're getting the point. So you leave that one. And the other thing that you should never do is that never agree with a lady everything she says. Never agree with it. You have to learn how to say no, and you stick to your point. Ladies don't like men who don't have decision, who are not themselves. If you say no to the woman and she fails to understand, stick to your no. That will make you great in her eyes. So you have to learn what we call no. The other thing that I want to tell you is that ladies like men who are very confident in themselves. Being confident does not mean you have a lot big musculars, you're too strong. No, you have to be very strong in intellectual, in emotional, in everything. So women like men who are very confident in themselves as far as relationship is concerned. So those are the little steps that I wanted to share with you guys. If this is the first time you're coming here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you also give like to my YouTube channel. Thank you very, very much.